What is up, guys? And today we're gonna be talking about another snowstorm for the northeast, and we'll be looking at how much snow you can expect from the snowstorm. But before we get into this, if you do like weather-related content, I would ask you to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of my videos. And make sure to go check out my social medias right down below in the description. Anyways, let's get right into this forecast. So right here, what we're looking at is the GFS model, and if we move this forward to about Sunday, November 24th, you can start to see some snow over in the northern Pennsylvania and New York. Now, if we move on to Monday, you can really start to see that snow accumulating right there, and you can even see some icy mix spots right down there. And a little bit down south over in the Massachusetts, Rhode Island area, you will see more of a mix rain, and this does go on until pretty much this whole type coast area. You're just gonna see rain and type of mix, but mostly over in the northern parts of these states, you're gonna see the snow in the mix. And if we move that on, you'll see Maine will get actually most of the snow. And here we are looking at the 72-hour snowfall accumulation analysis, and over here in the type of New York and Virginia, or not Virginia, Vermont area, you'll see up to 2 or 3 inches of snow. So definitely some snow to impact the roads. And then over here in the northern part of Maine, you could see up to 4 or 5 inches of snow. So that'll definitely impact the roads. So definitely be careful on the roads this weekend and throughout Monday and Tuesday, as there could be some pretty icy road conditions with this snowstorm. And also, if the roads are actually that bad, try to take off a work day if possible. But mainly you could see snow in this whole circle area and possibly snow over here too. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to consider subscribing and to hit that bell icon so you won't miss a video, and make sure to go check out the links right down below in the description. Stay safe.